Here's a fun activity you can do, either on the internet or in a newspaper or on TV. Think of an ad or look at an ad. Just grab it from wherever it is, right? Look at an ad. Okay. Once you have done looking at the ad, see what all do they actually try to convey to you. Okay. One will definitely be trying to grab your attention with a funny quote or a wonderful feature that they've showing to you, or some such thing, right? So usually those are the elements that are there in the ad. But what I want you to focus on are the features. What features are they trying to convey to you? Look for that. What are all the features of the particular product or service? Okay. So if it's there in the main part of the ad, it may be one or two of them, and then there will be some in somewhere in the bottom. You will have all the other features that you probably have not noticed in the main part of it, right? So this is going to be what we are going to do in this section, is to list down all the features that are there in your app. Okay. So one will be a dominating main feature. Okay, that's the main problem we are trying to solve for your customer. But there are other things that will also need to be brought up to the customer. Right now we are in the brink of showing it to our customer, so we better be ready with how all does it help them, what are all the features that will. So the features have to be worded also in such a way that the customer or user is able to connect to them, right? So you can say it does it in 1 nanosecond, something does it in 1 nanosecond. Now I am not able to relate 1 nanosecond, okay, but instead you can say you can take 1000 pictures in a matter of minutes. Okay, instead of saying one picture every nanosecond, which is highly technical for some people, may not be able to connect it, but 1000 pictures in a few seconds or a minute is wonderful, and they are able to connect to it because that is something that I want to do. Let's say that's what you are solving, right? So things like that is what goes into features. So we are able to list down all the important and start with the most important and list it according to the importance that your customer is going to face, right? So how will it make it better? Think about prioritize or in the order in which their life becomes better. So that's what the focus of listing down the features is going to be. Again, this is something that is a running dynamic document if you want to maintain a document, and the solutions keep varying. As you will see, we have 3 versions in our course itself, right? Prototype 1, 2 and 3. In reality, it's much more than that. So how will you keep track of what all people want, and how do you even track all these over long duration of time? This is a document that will really help you listing down the features. Your products can come and go, your services can come and go, many generations, but these features are going to remain static. The list grows, but the features don't change a whole lot. Okay, so this is what we will want you to do in this section of listing down the features. So whenever you're thinking about this and you're struggling, what does he mean by features? Think of ads. It is as if you're taking an ad to your customer and saying, this is how your life will be better. So that's why we're listing down all these features and putting it down, and so you can showcase it to them. Okay, so fun activity, stretch activity is after this, post this, is also to make an ad so that you can grab the attention of your customer. This is what we do in our workshops. If you are up for it, we can also do that as an ad. Create a ad campaign for your particular user and showcase it for the particular product that you're building, for the app that you're building. Okay, so have fun, list down all these features and create an ad, an advertisement for your app as well. Okay, good luck, enjoy.